In this video, you will learn how to create a section view to cut through the design to reveal the inside. Select Section View from the Create toolbar. Click the projected view on the right, the one above the title block, to select it as the parent view. Hover your cursor over the center of the projected view until you see a green triangle that shows you are at the midpoint. Drag your cursor up a little and click. Now drag the cursor down to create a vertical line through the middle of the part. Click below the part and select the green check mark. Place the view between the right projected view and the base view. Click OK to finish the section view command. Now you know how to add a section view to your drawing. Thanks for watching.